48-hour general strike called by JAC against the killing of DH Ibomcha Singh affected normal life in Thoubal district as locals of Kangabok blocked Imphal National Highway number 102, restricting movement of vehicles along the highway. Shops and other commercial establishments remained closed at Wangbal, Wangjing, Kangabok, Atokpam and Thoubal. Protesters also blocked a road at Wangbal, Kangabok Bazaar and Arongthong. During the strike, which began at 6 a.m. today, vehicles including those carrying security personnel were made to take detour. Speaking on the sidelines, co-convener of the JAC, Kundrakpam Nabachandra, demanded clarification as to why DH Ibomcha was reportedly killed after he was captured. He said JAC will not take the body of Ibomcha unless they receive justice and clarifications regarding the incident. According to locals, DH Ibomcha, the founder of Kim Educational Society, Kangabok, was allegedly killed by unidentified miscreants in connection with demand for money.